Welcome to our hamburger factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how hamburgers are mass-produced, from raw ingredients to ready-to-eat burger packs. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes factory tours.
Every burger is assembled for consistent taste and quality.
Welcome to the heart of our factory, where fresh patties hit the grill. They sizzle, then glide on conveyors through our high-tech process. Finally, precision packaging seals the deal. Freshness delivered.
Every burger is checked before shipment.
And that's how hamburgers are mass-produced, from raw ingredients to ready-to-eat perfection.